What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. And today we're gonna be rebuilding the Wizards after the trades. They suck really bad right now. I'm gonna start this season. Let's just make sure we don't have any contracts to sign. I don't know much about these guys. Bro wants 25 minutes, yeah, but you're not getting that, I'm sorry. Let me try to get rid of him. So Tristan and Dante. All for bro like a Superman. 35 mil. I 1 year, I literally Tristan. So I want to get rid of Tristan. I'll just trade these people up a dozen. So what I want to do, I'm literally just gonna first try to look for some unsigned free agents. I'm just gonna try to trade for the #1 draft pick. We're gonna have a pretty bad one. So I would be shocked if we have like one of the worst picks in the league. I mean, literally one of the worst teams. I mean, with Anthony Davis and Trae Young. I mean, I think something could happen, but I don't think too much about it. Let's put it on optimize real quick, just so maybe if we could possibly get a win. If we could possibly in some way get a win, it's gonna be through these guys. Why not optimize? Let's just keep it on optimize. I mean, we have Kaishan. Who's looking like a 5-star? Anthony Davis is 5-star. Alexander Swords a 5-star. Trae Young can't be a 5-star. Well, not all of them 5-stars. I was kind of just like looking a little bit, but. To the end. If anybody has questions for it's 87. It's 87. And it's 87 and not. Because all people aren't gonna play on the same days. Yep, it's not looking too good. Not looking too hot. But doesn't have to look too hot because obviously we're not making playoffs to play in. But that's not what we're looking to do. Luckily, that's not what we're looking to do. We're looking to go to the off season. Call us tankers. I don't care what you want to call us. We're gonna be one of the last teams, of course. Yeah, the third last best worst team. Oh my god, I can't even get it out of my mouth now. Third worst team in the league. I don't really care. It's not gonna be any of us. We have a bad roster. The entire playoffs. I wonder who will win. I do want to see. I'm lagging so bad. Oh, there we go. Oklahoma City Thunder. Yeah, this gets glazing. I definitely want to get into this draft. And this draft is going to be very nice. Let's go Anthony Davis. Let's look at who's on site. Jalen Duren, Walker Kessler. Not bad, but not terrible. We definitely want to be getting this. Come on, can we get the first pick? 6? Let's try to create trade. Who got the first? Toronto. Toronto got the first pick. There we go. Toronto, give me your first pick. You can take the 32nd pick. This pick. And that should be enough. That's honestly not even too bad. We have their pick. First pick, AJ DeBontes. Now we'll skip to our pick, which will be, and I don't want another forward, I want a guard. Honestly, I kind of want to get Darian Peterson. Let's offer him AJ DeBansta. What else do we have to offer something? He's not even really that good, so I look him in. No, I'm gonna sign him to a 1 year. They're forcing me to sign him to a 4 year. Obviously, Los Angeles Clippers. I want to trade for him. I'll give you. There we go. There you go. I really want Darian Peterson. Oh, and he's a 5-star. Let's go. We need some. We don't really need some size, but let's max up this medical prevention. We are not trying to get all of our players injured. Let's look at this lineup right now. Optimize. Make it a default. What am I trying to do in this offseason? Sign some free agents because we have a lot of cap space because we don't really have it. We have a lot of young players, so I think hopefully we'll be able to beat NBA champs in like 2-3 years. We got Trae Young at our start. We got Darian Peterson, which he's gonna develop nicely. We got AJ DeBansta, he's gonna develop nicely. We have Alex Sarr, he's good, and Anthony Davis. Hopefully he can stay when uninjured. What I'm really trying to do, I'm trying to free some cap space. So Hardy, Champagne, and Riley, you may have to go. I mean, we have some cap space. Oh no, I'm not trying to start that. Best person, Jalen Duren. We need a center, so okay. So some people's gotta go. Who had the first pick? Los Angeles? Let's create a trade. I feel like Los Angeles has some. They have a valuable pick. So let's take these 2 first-round picks. We'll give you these players because they're the worst people on our team. They accepted, yet they didn't like the deal. Completely makes no sense, but we had to free up some roster room. Let's see how much we have now. 12. That is great, actually. Anthony Davis, I don't want to upgrade him at all, actually. I only want to upgrade our young players, which is a lot of people. But really only like the great young people. Which, this isn't, it's not, you can say it's not realistic because you never know how they're going to turn out. But, like, this is just like, I don't know what to say about that. There's nothing I can do about that. Some one of these guys could turn into the next MJ. I don't know. They could develop nicely. D'Angelo Russell's very old. I do not know why he's on my roster right now. Never mind, he's not very old. I'm not paying him max. Walker Kessler, Jaden Ivey could be good. Max I'll pay him is 18. Max I'll pay him is 20. We'll give him a play option. And we'll go to day 2. I think this is about all we'll do in free agency right now. See what we're able to get. Rejected. Jalen Duren. No, I really needed a center though.
Let's look at his roster now, though. Why is our 7th man getting minutes? So Russell, Carrington, and B. Loud. Who had the 3rd pick? I don't even remember who did have the 3rd pick. Maybe we'll just take some more Los Angeles picks. Why not? Why not? They were really bad. I'll take your 2nd round pick. I'll take your... Can I take my pick back? I got my back. Dante Exum's gonna go. Hey, who are the people I wanted to get? Russell, Carrington, Coolabee. Russell, Carrington, Coolabee. Russell, Carrington, Coolabee. Russell, Carrington, Coolabee. They were probably bad, so... Russell, Karen, Coolabee. And Russell... It's accepted anyways. Even though they don't like the trade, they still accept it. Makes literally no sense in my mind. So he wants more minutes, and I'm trying to free him up some more minutes. Is there any way we can try to trade for him from Los Angeles? I don't think they'll even think about getting him. He's one of their best players, but I feel like he can get rebounds, so we'll give you some picks. We'll give you some more picks. We'll give you our pick. We're just giving them picks. Like, Loki, I don't think they want these picks. May have to give up some talent for this. Trey Johnson ain't going nowhere. Jaden Ivey? Cam Whitmore? Rejected. Even worse for them. Oh, they have to add a player. They can't do that either. Rejected. Now we'll add some picks. I'll give you all of our first round. Yeah, they're not getting them out. We have to get way better talent if we want to do this. So let's look for the best unsigned players. And we're just going to sign them to great contracts. Did I just offer him 15? I just offered him 14. Oh, no, so I should be offering them to 20 contracts. So I can guarantee that I get it. 25. They're not going to sign to us because why would they? Yeah, obviously. I assume I try to get rid of... Let's see who I'm trying to get rid of now. Maybe some of these people are actually good, but like... Trying to really try to get him. I feel like that could work really well for us. So we do not have a backup guard at all, so... Ivy, so I want to get rid of Ivy, Exum, Cam Whitmore, and Trey Johnson. I'm just trying to get rid of all of them. So Johnson, Kaishan, Whitmore, and Exum. I'm not remember those people at all. I only want Jalen. I'll give you Norman Powell, who's actually really good. Quentin Grimes. And some picks. They're not trying to kill up him at all because I guess they really need a center. What about I give you Norman Powell, and then I give you Alexander Sarr. They're still going to reject. And then I give you Jaden Ivey. Well, they need to give somebody. Reject. I give you some picks. Give you all these types of picks. No, they're not going to give me Jalen Ivey. Not until we get some better people. Well, I guess we'll just head into the season, I guess. Oh, we got to sign contracts. Cam Whitmore, I'm not trying to extend James like that one, but whatever it takes. It's Trey Young, I guess you can do that. I think this team could actually be actually decent. Last year, we were pretty terrible. We were not that far away from making a plan. I think I made a good amount of moves. I'm limiting myself to a one game every 2 rounds in the playoffs. Like if I play in the play-in, I can't play till the second round. That's what I'm doing because obviously I can play on this hoop land and cook, but that's not showing my team building skills. I'm just gonna ignore all these messages since I have it on optimized. Just trying to get this sim to run smoothly. We're actually doing pretty good right now. We could actually make not a deep run in the playoffs, but could make a run in the playoffs. Not that bad going into the All-Star break. I still really want Jalen Duren, but it's quite clear that the Lakers aren't going to give them up. It's quite clear to me. I think we may actually make the playoffs. Not to play in the playoffs. We're gonna be in the playoffs, I would guess we're in the playoffs. We're the 7th best team in the league. We're the 2nd best team in our conference. We are the Eastern Conference. We could have been number 1 with 1 more game. Golden State Warriors are in the play-in. Pretty sad. Sad to see them in the play-in, but they will be going to the playoffs. Let's see if we can get any awards. Ooh, we have some rookies. Some good rookies. Rebound leader, Anthony Davis. Dylan Harper's going to be most improved player. Rookie of the year will be Darian Peterson. That's why I really wanted to get him because I know he's very good. Anthony Edwards, it is shocking. He will be the playoffs are ready to begin. Now I think I'm just going to try to look at my roster and try to just get some upgrades done before playoffs because Jaden Ivey, bro, you're basically maxed. Darian Peterson, let's try to get this 3-ball up. I want Bro to develop into a shooter, but like he can do a lot of things too. I want him to be able to do a lot of things. Let's see, Sar. Holy, he has a whole bunch of defensive stats. Bro's been getting buckets this season. I really just want Bro to be able to be like the center that we need. Okay. Trae Young. Just kind of try to develop what he's already good at. Try to develop this shooting a little bit. I mean, he's a shooter. Cam Whitmore. Try to develop Bro. There we go. Now he's max. Okay, Anthony Davis. Definitely want to get you better at rebounding. Why not? Bro was already the rebound leader. What would he be if he was like Bro would be crazy. AJ DeBonsta, another rookie. He's not gonna develop into much of a shooter. I'm looking at it right now and it's showing me that he's not gonna develop into much of a shooter. But we got our playoff upgrades ready. Now we're gonna be playing the Knicks. We're going to lose the first game, Anthony Davis being our MVP. We're the 2 seed, playing the 7 seed. Who made the play-in, by the way? We're losing to a play-in team. We lost matches to a play-in team. Play-in, by the way. We were in the play-in. Oh my goodness. I thought I had accidentally simmed a long time, but I hadn't. And we lose again. Anthony Simons being their MVP. I didn't even know Anthony Simons had that in him, bro. We're gonna lose again. Down 3-1. This is gonna be the end of our playoff run here. Sadly. I don't even know what we're supposed to do. We really have no center at all. We have no center, so what are we supposed to do? Man, Magic. This is so weird. I swear they always play in the playoffs. Let's get us a good draft class. I mean, this would be the 2028, correct? We just had the 2026 draft. Yeah, this will be 2028. Nothing I want to change. Still going back for the Wizards. No coach expiring. Let's offer him a contract that I like. Get Alex Sarr contract. He's good. I mean, he deserves a contract. Ineligible Dante Exum. Is he retiring? Did Dante Exum just retire? Or is he taking his player option home? Can't tell. Oh, he just expired. I mean, I'll release him anyways. He wasn't good on my roster. We're getting the draft lottery. We're obviously going to try to trade for the #1 pick. They didn't. And the Clippers, we took some of their picks. We also took Atlanta's pick for some of those. So we're going to go for the Trailblazers and the Hornets pick, I guess. I mean, we're trying to get rid of players that are going to stop us from being able to sign people who are actually good. Who's declining? So we're going to get Norman, Johnson, and Cam. 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 I'm sorry if it's getting annoying, but I'm just trying to remember who I'm trying to trade because I have no other way. I'm going to get the first pick. Norman, Johnson. Definitely not no Darian Peterson. Oh, they're happy with just this. Hi. Maybe we can try to sneak a little Hornets pick in here. I think we can. Let's try to see if we can sneak in a little Hornets second pick for some players. I'm trying to. Oh, okay. Well, we didn't just sneak. We completely just got it. We're literally looking. Oh my god, we have Anthony Davis playing the whole game. This is not looking good. Definitely gonna start. We have 1, 2, 6. So first of all, we're gonna get Cameron Williams at a forward. Then we have the second pick. So a forward center would be nice. And now we have another pick where we can get a guard forward. And we have the 10th pick where we can get a shooting guard to. And then we have like a 49th pick, and we may actually try to use that and a whole bunch of other picks for. I thought we had the 37th pick. I'm gonna try to trade it for like some Trailblazer picks because they sucked. Trailblazers were due. So what else would I do but then expect that their picks would be dookie because we stole their other pick? They're already happy. Let's just see how many picks I can steal out of them. I just stole their picks all the way to 2032. Oh yeah, that's pure robbery. Oh yes, we got some good players playing for us, bro. Offer him the contract. Offer him a contract. We can afford to buy everybody contracts. No. Do not lease Alex Sarr, bro. No, Alex Sarr is expired? Oh, no. I offered him some more picks. I was about to say we're cooked. Because I'm trying to go into bidding war with him. Okay. We're looking, honestly, not even that bad. Looking like a pretty good lineup right now. My good players aren't playing at all. So, Quentin and Kai Sean gotta go. Let's see who we have here. Best person's gonna be Austin Reeves. We have a Miles Bridges. I may just sign an Austin Reeves, like a 20 mil. Just to try to, like, I'm gonna try to get the Lakers in, like, a trap. He's not gonna get the minutes he wants, but I'm just gonna try to give him so much money that he doesn't have another choice. I don't have enough coins to make that offer. A player's actually cheaper. See if we can get him for that. There we go. Miles Bridges. I don't think we have enough to take on the first contract, but way to a free agency. Let's see who's gonna accept. Accept. Woo! We gotta get crazy, bro. We're going for Jalen Duren, bro. What did I say? I said we're going for Jalen Duren. Let's see who actually like fits our lineup then. Oh my god, they're all benched. So DeAndre. So Miles, Kaishan, Quentin, and DeAndre. Miles, Kaishan, I can't remember. Miles, Kaishan, Quentin, whatever. I don't really care. I'm really trying to get Jalen Duren. We need a center. What can I say? Jalen Duren's gonna be off limits. So who's the best center in the league? Who's off limits? Who's signed? We're looking for a center and center only. Jokic, he's on a 1 year. I would still think, if he's on a 1 year, we could try to sign him in the off season. Most of these people are just gonna be kept on their teams. Chet, I don't really care about Chet. Anthony Davis is on our team. Joel, could try to get Joel. How old is he? 33. Free up some space. But this will put them over the limit. Give you some picks. We gave them their pick and that's just hard. Alright, well, next off season we'll be actually doing something, I guess. I really want to get Kaishan and them out of here. These guys aren't going to get any minutes with them. Jaden's gonna go. Jaden and Kaishan, bro. Is there anybody I can get for Jaden and Kaishan? I really just want to get them away. I'll trade him for like just like a dookie pick. Who was really bad? I'm just gonna guess they were bad. I really just want to get these guys out of here. Jaden Ivey. I can't remember who was the other guy I said. Marshall. Who else was the other guy that I wanted on my lineup? Marshall, Kaishan, and Ivy. Marshall, Kaishan, and Ivy. Marshall, Kaishan, and Ivy. Marshall, Kaishan. Why can I not take away Kaishan? We ain't none, but we're gonna rob you of your picks till you're dry. We just have everybody's picks, bro. It's actually too funny, bro. Did we give him a player option or something, bro? Kaishan. I want to get some money off of you, so why? What is stopping me from doing something with Kaishan? Because I signed him to a contract? I don't care. Just release him. Okay, at least some rookies are getting something. Shelton Henderson, who are you? Stealing minutes out of your head? You just have such a good lineup. We're gonna try out this lineup for like a year. With injuries, they should actually get playtime. We should be able to not get first rounded with this line. We have Aries, we have a whole bunch of rookies. I think they could actually show up in big games because
Heck, look, I mean, oh, we're actually playing on day 88. We're playing the Warriors on day 88. That's actually crazy. I was like, why does it only say one thing? We should be over there too. But oh, we are. We're playing on day 88. And if there's, I mean, maybe I already said this, but if there's any confusion, day 88, obviously they're not playing 88 games, but they're all not going to play on the same day, so. The Warriors are getting smoked. I would guess they still have Steph, but dang, they're not playing good. I can guarantee that. And we are, though. We are playing actually very good. I mean, we have about the same losses at home as we do away. It's not looking better for really any other places, so. Gotta get these coins because can't sign contracts without coins. Obviously, we're getting that medical prevention because we don't want a lot of people to get injured. If that happens, that will really suck. We really didn't play that good at home. Hey, but we used to have 32 losses, so we could be #1 seed in the conference. And we're gonna win that last game. We definitely ain't in no play-in tournament. We're the second best in the league. We're the second best in the league. So we're the first in our conference, of course, because our conference is weak. Kyrie. Trae Young. People were actually holding their weight. Honestly, I don't really know what's up here. For people who are already like established stars, really these guys didn't get much play, so I want to make him into a shooter, I will say. Oh my gosh, while I was upgrading Darren Peterson, I looked at the recording and it turns out it's been upside down the whole time. But, if I recorded on one side and then flip my phone screen, and then it will switch it up. I don't really want to upgrade anybody else. I know none of them got PT. Which I would like to change. But not much I can do about it right now. This is the play-in. I was about to say, where are we at? Did we not make the playoffs again? Hustle awards again. Let's see if we won any awards. Why does it not say he's on the team? Caleb Holt made this team with 5 buckets, bro. Steal leader, block leader, assist leader is gonna be Trae Young. Score leader Kyrie. Anthony Davis is making the defensive team. Most improved player, 6th man of the year. Rookie of the year, defensive player of the year. Most valuable player is going to be Luka. Well, we're playing the 8th seed. This should hopefully be a blowout. If it's not, it'll be really sad for this team.
Everybody's pretty happy, actually. I mean, we're contenders. Unless you're not getting minutes, no reason to not be happy. We're gonna lose to Con Knipple, bro. Okay. Nobody's really unhappy. Even the people who are sitting on the bench are happy. Maybe they're getting pizza. Oh my goodness. Darian Peterson. He's supposed to be off the bench. Never mind, he was getting 37 minutes. He's going to be developing nicely. I did not know he was getting that many minutes. Joel Embiid's going to just double 38 points to finish us, to lead us to victory. Trying to get him to a max 3-point for him. Oklahoma's gonna go to a... Oh my goodness, Phoenix is gonna... Okay, now we're playing the Hawks. Stole a whole bunch of their picks. I guess that's useless. Because they made the second round. We're gonna win game 1. I don't even know who's on their team. That's how... I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Trae Young is obviously... It looks like to be like... Not that bad. So he can play, but Embiid's just going crazy. Just huge. Carlton Carrington is really hustling for his team. He's getting match every MVP every night. I did not mean to do this. I'm not gonna play this. Hopefully I should have to. If we start taking like a crazy lead, I'm not gonna play it. But that's not why I lied to somebody and made it quicker. It's not a terrible close game. It is close to. They have a young core. They really have a whole bunch of like. We're gonna win the game. John Embiid MVP again. Tyson Daniels with extra double. We're up 3-1, and they get finished. I believe Carlton Carrington is gonna develop nicely for them. Tyrese almost gets a triple-double. Mavs are gonna win with Coop. Well, we played Pacers. See how this goes. We're gonna lose game 2 today. Tyrese. Bro can swing the rock. Like I knew it already, but dang. He's slinging it around, bro. He's getting crazy looks. Yeah, he's averaging like 15 assists a night. This could be the end of our playoff. Not over until it's over. Oh, we're gonna lose. It's looking like It's not looking great. Our series is really going in. That was on the Cinderella story. With Kyrie. 7th seed. But it's fine because hopefully we can take it to a game 7. We're at their home court. Man, may have to hop in. That means I won't be able to hop in the finals, but obviously won't be playing the whole game because it's 48 minutes. That'll mean I'll be spending almost an hour playing. It's already taken long enough. It's not that close right now. It's looking like a blowout. Remember? Yeah, I'm reading Jobs finish, I'm pretty sure. AG the bad stuff. Gonna be our MVP. It's 25 minutes tonight. Bro, our series is literally going the exact same. And when they're gonna get recorded again. Tyrese is going crazy this game. I'm surprised they don't have a win. It's looking like a blowout. Tyrese is gonna have almost 40, and they're gonna take him out because that's game. Our MVP is gonna be Trae Young, who is swinging it, but not like Tyrese. With 18 assists, so we're going to the finals. Let's see how theirs go. Theirs goes literally we had the exact same series. They started winning, it was 3-2 looking over, then one seed comes back. Bro, that literally was the exact same series. We're gonna take game 1. KD still on the Rockets, good shot. We take game 2. Kevin Durant is still cooking, bro. We don't take game 3. Anthony Davis, great, but slow game for us tonight. We're gonna win by a bucket! A bucket! I wanna see who had the last. Oh, we went into overtime, but let's see who has the last shot. Who won the game for us? They're gonna shoot bro, no way! They took a layup? With 12 seconds left, they took a layup instead of the 3-point. That's crazy. Trae gonna be slinging again to go up 3-1. Maybe over. I did it! What was that? What is this? Year 3 maybe? Oh yeah, we're already NBA champions. Yeah! We did it. Well, that's gonna be all. Bye.